We're moving forward to the second pitching session of the day. I'd like to call on stage first our judges, the same ones we had this morning. So please welcome on stage Erik Anderson. Then we have Bas Godska, should be around. Here is it. Brilliant. And then there's the only one missing, who's Angel Garcia Rivas. I don't see him around. Angel, are you here, somewhere here? Well, we can start with just two judges. It means they're gonna be even tougher than before. So I'm sorry guys, it's gonna be challenging for you. Okay, so first company on stage, we have Poster here, Alexandra and Rodion. Please welcome them on stage. I'm giving you the microphone in a second.
Thanks. Like it will take a lot of time.
Hello. Okay, hello guys. We are co-founders of Poster. Poster is the sexiest iPad point of sale. Oh.
Okay, point of sale is a class of software that allows business owner to control every single process that's going on in his business and have a picture of his business overall.
Yeah, okay. It's not our presentation, so we are gonna.
No, thanks.
Okay. It's a point of sale, and usually it looks like a big aggregate, and it costs a lot of money, from $5,000 to $15,000, and it takes several weeks to integrate to the Horeca, to the cafe, restaurant, or stores. And so we want to introduce you our project. It's iPad based. And it's called Poster, and it's got 5 bases.
Yeah, the first one, it's that it's mobile. It works on iPad, and soon it will work on Android.
It's cloud-based, so it's pretty fast and pretty secure.
Yeah, and it's really cheap, and we use subscription model, so pricing starts just from $19 a month.
It's simple, and it takes just several minutes to start selling. It integrates pretty fast. It's got free support and it's got free updates.
Yeah, Poster consists of 2 main parts. The second one is the front end where a waiter works. So it integrates with a barcode scanner, with a printer, and with physical registers.
Yeah, and second part is a back office where you got all reports you need, all fiscalization, inventory, and all finance reporting.
So our target clients for now are countries of post-Soviet Union, but on the 1st October we've made English localization, and that means that we're going to Europe.
Yeah, right now we've got more than 600 clients, and more of 70 clients are paid clients. We've got clients in more than 10 different countries.
And we've got a team of 10 amazing people. 7 of them are developers, and we've got our amazing mentors from 908 VC, which invested in us in April 2013, and now we're looking for a seed round, so you're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
Wondering, nice stuff, but where do you going to get your clients? Or do you have a small sales team, or is it pure online acquisition?
Yeah, for now it's just organic sales, which come from search engines, but we are experimenting with Facebook ads and with AdWords as well.
Also, we got dealing offers for dealers, and right now we've got from 5, it's about 7% clients from dealers already.
Okay, can you roughly indicate how many online leads you get passively now? Like, I mean, how many? Well, if I'm a restaurant owner, I would like probably be more busy with my pancakes and with my cutlery on the tables than with a digital push for my business. It's probably more for restaurant chains or something.
No, usually it's for restaurants who is opening right now, the new one.
Sorry?
For restaurants who is opening right now, for new restaurants, for new cafes, restaurants. But sometimes there are restaurants who already used big POS and very expensive systems and want to change them, and so they use Poster.
I'm a little bit worried that your client acquisition at some point, the organic one might stagnate and you will need to be forced into some sort of sales team or people that follow up on the leads. But your average order value is $240 a year, as far as I understand. And margin-wise, can you justify the time allocated to a sales effort until you get to conversion of a new B2B client to be, well, margin positive? Because the links you buy, the Facebook context advertising, that's all not that cheap.
Yeah, we've counted average client costs for us about 2 months of subscription.
2 months subscription, and
Yeah.
that's including your time investment or just the paid acquisition channel?
Position channel.
Okay, so there's also some time involved, and these are even passive leads. So
Yeah.
I'm just concerned that you might even have to double that acquisition cost if you really start calling some business development manager of a restaurant chain or things like that.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, okay. Well, that was my comment and question.
Okay, so just very quickly, I think we're running out of time. Normally when you do a presentation, one of you should just present because it's distracting for the audience to go back and forth.
Yeah, thanks.
And
We'll,
so maybe
consider
both of you learn the pitch really well in case one of you has to give it and the other one can't. But normally next time, just one of you. And then you claim to have the sexiest POS system
Yeah, that's true.
on the earth. Yet in your slides, all I saw was text and words.
Yeah, just this was a mistake. That's not a presentation we've copied recently. That's the old
I
one.
mean, it's just make the claim, like back it up, and there's a lot of competition.
You
I
can
think
come
they
up
did.
to
I think
our
they did
stand.
it
We'll
to be
show you
against
that's
us with
really
two guys. You know, that's.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you. Second pitch, SenceBence, Emery. Here is it. That's SenceBence.
All right. Hey, everybody. Greetings from Istanbul. My name is Emre, and we are SenceBence. SenceBence is a crowd marketing platform. We are bringing brands and people together in a digital environment. Well, actually, that idea is not something new. Brands and people were always in touch. For years, we have been talking about brands or products that we buy, or we have been sharing our experiences through friends and families. SenceBence is an evolution of that. We are carrying this behavior into a digital platform for marketing purposes. So what happens when people and brands come together? Marketing transforms. These people start to become the ambassadors or evangelists to work on behalf of a brand, which is the most powerful marketing tool ever, because we all trust in people, our peers and friends. What they say, what they think, what they do is important for us. Our platform is addressing 3 major issues. First, brands want to get instant customer insights, but it's very costly and it takes weeks. Second, brands want to spread their messages digitally, but they cannot stand out. We all ignore ads. They are not effective anymore. And third, brands want to collaborate or co-create together with their customers, but there is no platform that can bring them together. SenceBence is a fast, effective, and efficient solution to all these issues. Now, why do people do all this stuff? What's their motivation? We have a great gamified environment. Each person on SenceBence has levels, points, and badges, and they can go and redeem their points in our store. So it's a win-win situation. Our solution and differentiation is unique. Spreading messages through our platform is 7 times more effective compared to other digital media channels. Getting customer insights 6 times faster at 1/4 of the cost. And we are the one and only real-time co-creation platform where brands and people come together. We launched our platform back a few months ago. Since then, we reached 40,000 users organically. We managed to complete 29 different projects with top global brands like Intel, Microsoft, Nokia, Roventa, Pepsi, Bayer. Great traction so far. And even though we are a startup company, we managed to create $70,000 actual revenue. And finally, our team, these people are partners for the last 14 years. We have done this before. We are the owners of Turkey's biggest agency, and we are going to do it once again. Thank you.
Nice presentation.
No problem.
Where did you get the money from? Advertisements?
Say again, sorry?
Where did you get the money from, the revenue?
The money we get from is the projects that we completed together with the brands that I showed. So all projects with Intel, Microsoft, Roventa, Pepsi, Bayer. So we created projects with them. So it's the business. I think you're asking the business model.
No, not yet. But that, I would be like to hear that as well. But are you guys from a background where you develop advertising campaigns digitally for big brands?
Yes.
And this is something that you may have done for a client and then thought, hey.
Exactly.
Okay, I got you. Yeah. So what is your business model?
Our business model, we are selling our services and solutions directly to the brands. Direct sales is being covered by our internal sales team. Sales through is being done through marketing or media planning agencies.
Okay. Nice pipeline of deals.
Yeah.
Size, what kind of volume?
Expected volume in the next 6 months is like $300,000.
Okay, nice. Looks nice. Do you have there was no real, could you show me the user interface a little bit? Just trying to understand how it, yeah, thanks.
I think
it's gone. Okay, that means the time is up. Okay, well,
Yeah, basically you weren't very detailed oriented, and I kind of had an idea of what you were doing, but first and foremost, just get to the point and talk about what it is that you actually do, and an example or a screenshot of what it looks like, finished product, and through the entire process would be really nice.
Yeah.
So,
of course, I couldn't include them in 2 minutes presentation, but we have them all.
and if it's a 2-minute presentation, keep it at 2 minutes. But it was well done, and the slides look great.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Third pitch, we have Peter from VOX.
Peter, pleasure to meet you. Hello, everyone. We have a black screen. How your day is going on? This way? Oh, thank you.
Can we restart the time?
Okay, thanks. So VOX, what is VOX? It's a new approach to digital music coming this year. The problem is that today 80% of all users stream content, but yet there are another 20% of users that have a lot of music on their external hard drives. They listen lossless music, HD music, various stuff. And the problem is that with this, a lot of like other music, they have a problem how to store this music and how to access it universally. Because you cannot like put this music in some popular cloud. So, and this music collections, local music collections get bigger and bigger. So we've developed a new cloud named VOX Cloud. It's absolutely new approach to how you store your music files because it's absolutely unlimited, literally, has no limitations. Second, it's multi-format. So you can upload not only MP3s, but lossless music and HD music, and especially lossless and HD files, they consume a lot of space. And also, it's multi-platform. So you can have all your lossless and HD content available on mobile device and on desktop. So, and it's only available for $9.99 per month. So our competitors are tycoons, Apple, Google, and Amazon. But their solutions are not that cool as VOX, because VOX actually offers a full package of values. We've launched a pilot a year ago named VOX Player. It's player designed specifically for those guys who love to listen to all the kinds of music. And the thing is that it became extremely popular. And we got 600,000 downloads in a year on a desktop. And we became literally the most popular music player on desktop Mac computer to the date. So these are some numbers. We have very steady growth. The most popular market is United States. And all cool media covered our launch, like 2-hour Mashable. Mashable said that we are the best alternative to iTunes, actually. So we have a very strong team. And by the way, former Google AdWords and AdSense marketing director is in our team, helping us out launching the cloud service. Now, fundraising. So if there are any investors in the room, you are invited. And also, this is VOX Player and VOX Cloud, a new approach to contemporary digital music millennium. Thank you.
Well, that was one of the best presentations so far. Well done.
Thanks a lot.
Do you have any comments? Yeah. Can I get a trial?
Yeah, for sure. We have, by the way, we have a closed beta launching next month. So everyone who's hearing this message can email me on this email address, and I will send you a personal invitation to the closed beta, because this will be sent out only to those that we have on the list.
Is your domain name for this, is it vox.com or cupertino.com?
Cupertino is the name of the company.
Yeah.
We were launching, we made a lot of Mac software days before, but then we focused on Vox, so Cupertino is a company and Vox is a primary product.
So what's your online URL for the product?
At the moment, cupertino.com.
Okay. So Fox.com would be great, of course, but
I know, but I
a bit
think
expensive. Yeah.
we need to raise additional Series A funding to acquire this domain name.
Okay. Any Android ambitions?
Absolutely. Launching 2015.
Oh, that's that beta thing, or that's
no,
something separate?
no, it's something separate.
Okay.
So we have a Vox player on a Mac on desktop at the moment. In November, we are launching iOS version of Vox. Next year, like I think early spring, we are launching Android. Then we go Windows Mobile, Windows Desktop, etc.
Okay. Now, I'm not a technical guy, but if you are unlimited in your hosting, that probably means that you have an average cost per user that's several dollars or more.
Nice question. Actually, to make this unlimited thing possible, we've designed our own CDN. So all our technology is absolutely proprietary. We are even patenting what we are doing with it. So it's really a consumer and at the same time technological story.
It's advertising free, right? I mean, there's no...
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay. Any naughty ideas for the future for additional revenue streams, or?
Yeah, sure. We plan to release branded headphones named Vox, then car audio named Vox, and then all concert speakers like you see over there and over there, they all will be Vox.
And I see you have nice T-shirts, right?
Yeah, this guy, it's a genius behind Vox Player.
Ah.
It's our CTO, Ivan.
Well,
So you can turn around and see Ivan.
Okay. Okay. Very nice.
Thank you very much. I have to interrupt you as we are running out of time.
Yep. Thank you
Thanks.
very much.
So little change in the program. Kaznachi is going to pitch tomorrow, not today. So last pitch of the session, we have here Lev from Handy Smart TV. Please come on stage.
Hello everyone. I am proud to present you our new project, which is called Handy Smart TV. According to recent researches, it will take you nearly 4 times longer to perform search on the Smart TV than on the smartphone. For example, if you want to,
It's interesting that they wanted to go hardware as opposed to maybe other forms of media. What did you say about their hardware? It's interesting that
Sorry for that. Presentation goes itself, and I don't do anything. So I'll try to tell without it. For example, if you want to search the movie D'Artagnan and Three Musketeers and preview it, it will take you nearly 51 seconds on the smart TV, but only 13 seconds on the smartphone. That's why the management of Android TVs is a really problem. And while creating our project Handy Smart TV, we were trying to create the fastest and clearest and the most convenient way to control them. It consists from two parts. The first part is the launcher that should be installed on the smart TV, and the second one is the applications that should be installed on the mobile phone or a smartphone. The application is used to control that launcher. It has a convenient interface in a form of shifting categories, which can be slided left and right across the screen easily. That allows you to launch any application in 1, 2, or 3 actions, not more. We also included gallery and web browser to our launcher that allows you to browse on the internet or watch your media files faster than you will do it with remote control. According to our researchers, amount of Android TVs and Android TV boxes grew in 2013, and it will grow next years too. That's why it's a very perspective market, and we are going to present our product to this market.
I apologize, but I have to interrupt you as you've run out of time. Thank you very much. So, question from the judges?
Very quickly, are you building a new TV, or what exactly did you do? I know there was technical difficulties, but neither one of us know what you do.
This is a launcher. This is an application that should be installed on Android TV or Android TV box. You don't need to use a cumbersome TV remote. You just need to install a launcher on the TV and TV box. And to install the application on your phone, they fully duplicate the screen from the TV on the phone, and you will be able to just press the button you want on the phone. It shows the applications and galleries and images and other things, so you don't need to press the navigation buttons again and again and again, like you have to do this, for example, on Google Android TV and other navigation programs in car remote, control, smart remote.
Okay, and when do you launch? When do you launch? Launch your product.
Handy Smart TV? Yes, man. We are going to present our product to the market in December 2014.
Cool, thank you. Are you gonna? What's the? How much are you gonna charge for it?
We are going to put advertising there at first, but it is only the first stage because there are many ways to monetize the launches, like providing different themes or different applications or paid content and others. So there are many ways to monetize this, but the first stage is really advertisements, where we will get a large amount of users. At first we won't monetize it at all, and then we will.
Just out of curiosity, I know that smart TV, as it is being used by manufacturers, they just love to log and screen and monitor all the behavior of the users. So basically, what are you looking at? How you interact, your interest, and it's all being sent back by smart TV to the manufacturers. Now, is this also part of your revenue model that you're going to sit on the data, or will smart TV not share this data with you as a developer?
We basically don't talk about smart TV, but about Android TV boxes, such little computers that can be connected to the TVs. They don't have such functions, and they have not really convenient controls. That's why we started to do this application.
But then that means that on a usability level, you're solving an issue, but smart TV is collecting a lot of user data that it may not be sharing with you. So if advertising revenue stream is going to become your main income source, then the problem is that smart TV at some point can start do much better targeting based on the behavior of the user. So I'm wondering if that's really the most future-proof business model.
Thank you for the question. If the user will use our launcher every day, and we will also be able to collect the information about his main doings, his favorite programs and other things, so we may do the launcher to his needs then.
Thank you very much. Okay, so the second pitching session is over. Thanks to Lev, and applause to him, and also to the other competitors.